What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Pro tip: co-signers may be responsible for your unpaid debt. One common bankruptcy myth is that the proceeding spares everyone listed on a credit card account from having to pay the total bill. If you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, however, anyone who helped vouch for your creditworthiness by putting their name down as responsible for the debt will be called upon to pay anything not paid in full during the bankruptcy proceedings. Most co-signers are protected from being pursued additional payments after a Chapter 13 proceeding. While bankruptcy is never desirable, it can be a legitimate tool for surviving major financial devastation and starting the path back to becoming financially stable. As with any major financial decision, it's best to seek wise counsel in these matters and explore all the options to find the solution best suited to your individual financial situation. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.